going to show you how to make money online in 2024 and 2025. Even in 2026, this thing can still work. If you follow this method, you can still work. You understand? You get me? Are you sure? So, bro, follow my steps. You need to make money online in this generation. Because if you don't make money online, you're just like committing suicide. Like putting a gun on your head and you're gone. So you need to take advantage of this opportunity the internet, social media is giving you. It's not bad if you give your mom $1,000 every month. It's not too much for the rest of her life. It's not too much. So, bro, the first app I'll show you is called Thread. Thread is kind of like things like Instagram, but similar to Twitter, and just post content, post post videos. Thread is basically not it. My page is not good at all. Sorry, guys, sorry. I'm so sorry. It's getting worse. The more I'm going scrolling down, the more I'm seeing crazy things. So you understand me? You create maybe quotes or anything. Just bring out educative things, not those things you saw those now. That was ooh no. Just bring out creative topics. You understand? Like maybe for example you can also use Twitter too. Also use Twitter. Twitter is another good app. Twitter is more mature app, is more mature. So for them, we can just copy this quotes. For example, quotes about life. Copy it. Go to thread. You post it. It's posted now. You see. Then just do like just keep doing it. First thread. You see. Keep doing do like 10 a day. Every day you build your following. And when you build a following, you have good following. Can monetize it any way you want to monetize it. Get me? Or you can use also to make it more cute and professional. You can use enter here, go here, copy this one, then create um what's the name? Let's try thread. Let's see if it is this. Your thread post. You create your thread post. Click here, paste. Let's make it 120. It's crazy. 120 is crazy. No, not that crazy. Download it. Let's say you want it white. Download. You click here. Create another one. As simple as that. Now go to image. Go to your image. Then you post it. See it here. Yeah. The only thing we have to fear is itself. Like this, keep posting it. I know. Then you monetize it, you get your followers. Bro, as for me, I'm out. Don't forget to go to the link in my description. If you want to save your family from poverty.